Hello guys, I'm Darshna and welcome to the second episode of Crochet Class, in which I'm going to teach you how to make a double crochet and single crochet. So let's start with the abbreviation. So the abbreviation of double crochet is DC. If you're interested in learning the abbreviation, learn it. And if you don't want to learn it at this point, it's okay. So let's start. So let's start with a slip knot. Take your two fingers, put the smaller part of the thread below, round the thread from back side of your fingers and hold it where both the parts meet, and take the thread from the below side. The longer thread you have to take from the down side, not the up side. Now take the hook, put it inside the hook, and then roll some thread on your finger. A detailed video of making the chain and slip knot is in the description. So simple method, you have to take and grab some thread on your hook and put it into a hole. So here I am making 11 chains. 11 chain. Simply you have to grab some thread from the left side, from the inside of the thumb and the index finger, and then just put it down into the hole. That's the easiest method to make a chain. So let's make the chain fast. Now I am completed with my chain. What I am going to do now is I am going to make a cross in which the thread is below and the hook is upside. Now I am going to grab some thread and put it into the next chain. Now I have 3 threads on the hook. What I am going to do is grab some thread, move it from first hole, then from the next 2 holes, and then again from the next 2 holes. Grab some hook, grab some thread on your hook, put it into the next chain. You have again 3 threads on your hook. Grab some thread, put it from the first one, then from the next 2, and then from the next 2. The pattern will be you will have 3, then you have to put it from 1, then you have to put it from 2, and then from the left 2. So this is just how to make the thumb or crochet, double crochet. So this is the easiest way, and I'm just going to tell you that while learning how to make double crochet, keep your chain a little loose, so it will be easy for you to make the double crochet. Now the next thing which you have to focus on is, this is not just the thing you have to learn, because this is making a double crochet. In the next videos I'm going to tell you how to make flowers using this crochet, double crochet, single crochet, how to make cap and many other things from this method of crochet. Very simple method. You have to make 3, then 2, then 1. So this is how the thumb or the double crochet looks. I have made a total of 4 double crochets. So now let's start with single crochet. The abbreviation of single crochet is SC. Again, want to learn it, otherwise let it be. Now I'm making slip knot using another method which I told in the last video. Just put the crochet from the index finger and the thumb side, then rotate the crochet at 360 degree and then make a chain. Again I'm making some 11 chains. Sorry, while doing this I just moved a little out of the frame. Again making 11 chains. This is just for practice, okay? And if you wanna then using this method of crochet, single crochets, you can make rubber bands, scrunchies, then you can make a hairband or friendship band. These uses. So done with it. Now what I am doing is directly putting the crochet into the first chain. I am not grabbing any thread on my hook and just putting it. Now I am grabbing some thread and from the first one, and then from both of the left ones. Again what I am going to do is not going to grab the thread. I'm just going to put it into the hole or into the chain or into the stitch, and then just going to grab some thread on my hook and put it from the first one. Again grab some thread on my hook and put it from the next two. This is the method. Put it into the stitch. Then grab some thread, put it from the first one, then grab some thread and put it from the next two. This is the method of making a single crochet. So while practicing, if you are a beginner, you have to make at least 100 to 150 counts. Then only you will be very advanced, or you learn it. The finishing will come in your work. So this is a simple method. Put the crochet into the stitch, grab some thread on your hook, put it into the first one and grab some thread again on your hook and put it from the next two. So the method will be two will be there, one and then from the next two. Unlike the double crochet, you are not going to get 3 threads, only 2 threads on your hook. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you.